Here is my menu plan for the next fortnight. It mostly consists of things that I already have. I actually did a bit of a top-up shop last week, so I'm sort of only got half my budget to work with. And some of the things are from the week before. So what I do is I highlight the meals that we've had. Lesson did highlighting there. And the ones that I haven't done, I move over. So the ones this week that I moved over, the rice balls with the salmon, which is like a tin salmon, and tofu, and the fried rice with an omelette or tofu. And then, as usual, grandma's and pizza, Wednesday, Friday. And then leftovers. So we had this soup last night. I was supposed to go shopping yesterday, but that didn't happen. And then, just sort of using up stuff in the fridge and the pantry. So pesto pasta, barbecue, so lamb chops for Ruben, like a kind of teriyaki Japanese eggplant and salad. Leftovers or brunch, so that's like eggs for the boys and some kind of like stovetop hash or scramble, or veggies for me and Lawson. And then this is a new thing I've sort of made up, zoodles carbonara. I'm trying to get the boys, especially Jack, to eat more veggies. So if he makes some zoodles, hopefully he'll enjoy having that. And the carbonara sauce is High Carb Hannah's carbonara sauce, which is a potato-based one. And then I'll add some bacon for Ruben, and then loaded sweet potatoes, which is everybody loves. And that's with like cashew cream and guacamole and quinoa. And the extras that I'm going to make this week are another batch of kombucha, and I'm going to try coconut yogurt. I tried making it just with like the tinned coconut milk like I'm going to today, but I just used a probiotic capsule and it didn't really set. I wasn't sure it happened. So this time I bought some coconut yogurt. I'll grab that and show you somewhere. See, you don't really need to buy much food. This is the coconut yogurt that I'm going to try and use as a starter. And where are the ingredients? There we go. So a native starch. I don't really know what that means. Dextrose and cultures. So I've got some tapioca flour here, and I was going to put in a tablespoon of that and see how it goes. So the recipe I got from, or the measurements I got from somewhere online, but I'll try and link it. So it's a quarter of a cup of that, and then 2 of these. That makes the 800 mils, and that, I guess, makes up the 1000 mils for it to be a litre. And I'm just doing it in an easy thing. I don't have a thermometer, but this is much easier. You just put it in there and forget about it. The one I did last time with the capsule was just like a sitting on the bench one, but I guess it didn't work here. Anyway, I'll let you know how that goes. So here are my Aldi groceries. I've got cucumbers, oranges, zucchini, the big bag of baby spinach, some multi-V juice, 2 tins of champignons, bananas, free-range eggs, strawberries, blueberries, and then a lot of chips. I let Jack pick a few things, so heaps of those. Bacon, chicken breast for lunches, garlic bread, this gluten-free spaghetti, taco kit for tacos, dishwasher soap, and this soap I'm going to try and make liquid soap out of. And that's everything from Aldi, and here is my receipt. So not too bad for everything. It was $68.35. So my budget for the fortnight's $300. So yeah, not too bad just for that sort of collection of stuff. I probably will have to go out and get some more things though.